So before I go any further on assembling this, I'm going to go ahead and do this belt tensioner mod. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this adjustment thing. It's a very common issue with these, that this twists and causes belt wear. And what it is basically these two bolts, it goes in the same basically hole when they bottom out on each other. Using washers can help that. I'm going to show you the way I like to do it. This will be the same on basically any one of these that's got this style belt tensioner. So I got both bolts removed from both sides. So I painted this bolt with some fingernail polish. This is one of the spare bolts that come in the kit. It's extra long. You can cut it down a little bit or go to your hardware store and get you one. But we want one that'll fit all the way through, because this is the upgrade we're going to be doing. This is the same thread pattern, so you ain't cutting no new threads or anything. And this will go through both sides. And you can see it's not going to interfere with anything. We could actually trim this bolt down, but this will do for now. We're going to take a little washer and put on it. I also painted this to match. And a little bitty nut. Now the nut and the bolt didn't come with the kit. I had to get them separate. Well, this fit this. Too big. Okay, there we go. So this does got threads still in it, so you want to go ahead and snug this side kind of tight, but not all the way yet. Leave it where you can move it, and then run this nut all the way up. So you can see we are moving just a little, but we want to make sure a belt is level as it can be and not going to rub, especially once we torque everything down. Now I'm going to take this little tool came in the kit, and I'm going to tighten this up. And you don't have to hold the other end because it's tight on the threads, and you don't want to over tighten it because you can damage this. Look at that, no movement at all. It's a simple fix. All you had to do was just use a longer bolt, put your tap on the back side of it, run it all the way through. Don't know why they don't do that from the factory. This is hit exactly done. You can touch it up with some Sharpies or something, or buy a black bolt. Now you can go ahead and tension the belt and make sure it's straight. If we can get focused here, there we go, you can see the belt. So we tighten it. It's nice and centered up, won't be touching none at all. And you want your belt semi-tight, but you don't want it too springy. So it turned out good. It's a very short video, but I hope you found it helpful, especially if you dealing with this tensioner not getting tight and it's always moving on you, or you're getting some dust or something from your belt that's been rubbing and stuff. That's very common on the Enders and these Voxelab Aquilas and a few others. So hope you enjoyed this easy fix. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos. I got to finish this printer up now. I just want to go ahead and make one on this modification. Thanks for watching.